How to fix contact not showing problem on Twitter. So hello friends, once again welcome back to Android Tips YouTube channel. So friends, before we get started, I would like to request you all to please do subscribe this YouTube channel and please hit the bell icon to receive latest videos notification from Android Tips. So friends, in this video I'll be showing you how to fix contact not showing problem on Twitter. So friends, let's get started. So friends, you can see this is my Twitter personal account. So I'll show you how to fix this problem. You just need to watch this video till the end. So first thing, you simply need to tap here, and then you have to followers tap on followers, and then this kind of interface will pop out. You just need to tap here. You can see here, top right corner here, and then tap there. And then friends, this is the one how we connect our contact to Twitter. So you simply need to tap on get ready, and then sense contact, and then allow, and then it will show up suggested from your from for you to follow. So friends, it will come out like this. So still then, even after I turn on, I enabled from my Twitter, I still then I'm not finding my contact Twitter user. So for that, you just need to go to settings, and then scroll down and go to manage apps, and then search for Twitter here. Twitter here, you can see Twitter. I'm using the Redmi device, so my interface might be different, but I hope you can do that. So you simply need to tap on app permission, and then allow everything. You can see allow everything from here. Just allow everything from here, and your problem will be fixed. So friends, that's it. That is how we fix this problem. So now I will be able to find my contact Twitter users. So friends, so you can see I'm able to find them. So that's it friend, I hope you understand video. So thanks for watching this video.